In this video, we're going to explore about comparing different price options companies may offer you and how to determine which is the better. So the first example, Julianne has a cell phone and gets charged for text messages each month. She's thinking of paying a flat fee of $40 for unlimited text messaging. If the cost is 15 cents per text message, how much would she save by using the unlimited plan instead of the pay per message plan if she sends about 800 messages each month? So the first thing that we want to do is figure out how much does it cost to do the pay per message plan for 800 messages. And this is her current plan. So we would take our 800 messages times 15 cents, and it would give us an amount of $120 she's paying for her text messages. Second step, how much does the unlimited plan cost for 800 messages? Well, because it's unlimited, that means we're just paying a flat fee no matter how many messages we send. So in this case, it's $40 for any amount of messages we send. In the last step, we want to know how much is saved. So that means we need to find the difference between the pay per message and the unlimited plan costs. We would subtract the per text cost minus unlimited cost, and that would give us our savings. That would be $120 minus $40. So we would have Julianne saves $80 a month by switching to the unlimited plan. In this Check Your Understanding, Kristen's phone company charges $45 for unlimited texting per month, or 12 cents per text message sent or received. For what amount of text messages would the unlimited plan cost the same as the per text plan? Pause the video and see if you can calculate this on your own. Basically, what you're finding is how many 12-cent messages are in $45. And think to yourself, am I going to add, subtract, divide, multiply? Well, in this case, you're going to divide 45 into 12-cent pieces. So 45 divided by 12 cents would give us 375. So it would cost the same for 375 text messages. In the next example, the Optizone cable TV internet phone provider advertises a flat $95 per month for all three services for a new customer's first year. The customer estimates that this will increase 10% for the second year. Pauline normally pays $49 for her monthly home phone services, $35 for internet service, and $50 for cable television. If Pauline's usage remains the same, how much will she save per month in the second year? And this is important. We're talking about the second year. So the flat rate of $95 would not be what we would pay. We would pay $95 plus 10% additional. So how much does she pay regularly per month? So this is looking at how much did she pay in her old plan? Well, she paid the $49 for phone service, $35 for internet, and $50 for cable television. So we need to add all of them together, and we come up with a total of $134 is the amount she was paying per month. Next, we want to determine what is the amount of increase for the Optizone cable plan. Well, it's increasing by 10%. So we need to take the $95 and multiply it times 10%. Don't forget, 10% is the same thing as saying 10 out of 100%. So you would divide and you would end up with 0.10. And when we multiplied, it would increase by $9.50. For step 3, we want to figure out how much is she going to pay after the first year promotion. So that means we would need to take the $95 and add in the 10% increase. So that would be 95 plus $9.50. So it would total $104.50. The last thing we want to figure is if she combines services with OptiZone, how much will she save? Well, she originally paid $134 for her old service. The new service after the first year would be $104.50. Subtract the two amounts, and she will save $29.50. For check your understanding, how much would Pauline save if the second year increase was 25% instead of 10%? So we would need to calculate the amount of increase. So that would be 95 times 25%. Remember, 25% is 25 out of 100. Divide it, and it gives you 0.25. And the increase would be $23.75. Add that back into the original $95, and her amount would now be $118.75. Subtract it from her original $134, and her savings would be $15.25. So even if her increase was 25% instead of the 10% she originally thought, she would still be saving money. So it makes more sense for her to combine the services.